Motor insurance. Motor insurance policies are designed to transfer the risk associated with the ownership of a vehicle to an insured. Motor third-party liability is regulated insurance product which all vehicles on road must insure to maintain valid vehicles. The vehicle is driven on a road to protect themselves from liability, whereas other products such as motor comprehensive NEA total losses and TLP insurance products are much wider designed to protect your car from risk on damage to the car and liability. Comprehensive policy covers numberless risks, comprehensive included but no limit to on damage, accident damage, self-fire, including to a comprehensive writing, theft, burglary, strikes and raids, national police, flood, storms, templates. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.